What's up, guys? It's Zach back at it again with another video. Today we are going to be doing another review similar to my Boss Katana mini review, which did a lot better than I thought it was going to. I kind of just was like, oh, let's just see how this goes. So maybe people are more interested in having budget gear reviews. I don't know. Let me know down in the comment section if you have an opinion on that either way. But today we're going to do something that's kind of similar, and I'm going to be talking about the Audient EVO 4. So today's video, we're going to be talking about the EVO 4 by Audient. And this little interface is really cool. I don't know why there's not more buzz about it. Maybe there is. Maybe I missed the bus on that. I don't know. But it's a sweet little interface. It's got 2 inputs on the back and 2 outputs. And then moving to the front, I suppose, we have a high gain or instrument input. And then we also have our headphone mix output. And it's also USB-C powered on here, but it does come with a USB normal USB. It comes with a normal USB to USB-C cord, which is nice. So you're not having to like find one or buy one or anything like that. So that is included, and that's pretty much it. You get that and manual. And so then looking at the front, this is what most people probably are interested in. We have phantom power, which is very cool. And then we also have to select our inputs right here. And we have the smart gain feature, which I'll go over in a second. And then we also have this button. You hit that once, and then that will turn you over to the headphone menu. And then you use this knob to increase or decrease your headphone volume. And then here you have the monitor mix, and this is where you can kind of choose. I think it's more like panning. I don't really mess around with that. I mostly just want everything to be dead center because that's mostly how you want to record stuff, and you can just change it in your DAW. But anyway, so the smart gain feature is pretty cool. So you'll hit it one time, and that will arm it to record and be ready. And then as you perform, it will find the proper level for you for the unit's gain to be set at, so you won't have to worry about clipping. I do think this is a cool idea. It's a little gimmicky, but it has helped me out a lot. So what I mean in that is when I've done some events where the group will be really quiet and then it gets really loud, I'm doing these in competitive music settings, so I can't edit the audio. So I sort of edit it, but not really going into the blocks. So with this feature, like half finished, it helps me to find the right volume of what to do with the group, because I don't want to be spinning the dial around and trying to, guess where it needs to be, because that can obviously be reflected in the recording, whereas this does it a little more instantaneously. It is a little odd not having any type of consistent feedback, or constant feedback, I suppose is a better way to say it. Like with most interfaces, you have a little more designation for the first channel, second channel, third channel, fourth, whatever. And you can kind of see a little more what's going on, whereas with this, it's pretty bare bones. But what I love about this is that it weighs next to nothing. So you kind of have to you have to weigh the pros with the cons. And so that was something that's what made me hesitant to buy this. But I'm glad that I did, because again, it weighs nothing. That's what I need. And if I'm going to be hauling around my backpack with all my cords and other recorders and batteries and the computer in the back and headphones and power banks and just all kinds of stuff, the last thing I need is a 5, 6, 7 pound audio interface that sure might be nicer, but I don't want to have to carry that around because that's just more weight. So if you're looking for something portable, this is great. If you're looking for something that is budget friendly, this is great. If you're looking for something that has super heavy duty build quality, this is not great. It's all plastic. And again, taking the pros of the cons, you got to kind of pick your battles. So it depends on what you're looking for there. But really, for less than $200, I think it's a great package. So there it is. That's the Audient EVO 4. Pretty straightforward little audio interface. There's not a ton going on or to go over, which is sometimes kind of nice. You don't want to get bogged down and having to watch a 45-minute video about what every single little knob does. So very simple, very straightforward, super light, great for mobile recording, and these are great for beginners as well. It's a pretty simple way to get into audio engineering. It's a fairly inexpensive way to get into it and to mixing at home. You have really what you need. You have headphones, you have your 2 inputs, you have another instrument input, then you have your monitor output. So it's really pretty easy. It's a great way to get started into it. Speaking of which, if you are new to this, obviously you've probably seen the cards going on. I also toss a guide down in the description, and that's my gift from me to you. It's just a basics guide, kind of going over what you need, helpful stuff, some tips and tricks and things like that. So guys, I hope that you like it. Again, I apologize for taking so long to get back with another video. But yeah, so there's just a lot of craziness going on in the world right now, and I hope everyone's safe, hope you're healthy, and I hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Thanks. Bye.